Today we are going to be making a black forest cake in the easiest way possible. Hello there, my name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse and I welcome you back to the channel. So let's get into this video sharp, no wasting time. We have flour. I also suggest very highly that you read the description box because I am going to make sure to write all these ingredients and their measurements in there. Take a screenshot, you go reciprocate, or you can always come back to this video and watch everything. Okay, so we have the dry ingredients, we have the eggs and the liquid ingredients on the other side. Please, once again, just before you forget it, check the description box for measurements. Okay, thank you. So what we have is everything measured together. So we're going to get the flour and add in the sugar, add in the cocoa powder. This is unsweetened, so it's the original one. Add in our coffee, and then we're going to be going in with baking soda and baking powder, and then we're going to also add in a pinch of salt, not a pinch though, yeah, but salt. And that's it. All the dry ingredients are in there. The flour is sifted, the cocoa powder is sifted, so you want to make sure you do that before you assemble everything. We didn't want this video to really be so long, but yeah, sift them, one, to aerate them, and then also to remove some impurities. This particular container doesn't seem like it's going to hold this butter, so we're just going to transfer the dry ingredients into this deep one. They're the same size, but the white one is a bit deeper, and then we have a little bit more working space. We're going to dig a well in the middle of that dry ingredients mixture, and then we're going to break eggs one by one into the same mixture. Now you can break these into the milk and first whisk them together, or you can just go direct mafia just like we did. So add in your eggs in that well, go in with your milk. This is whole milk, room temperature, and then you're going to go in with your oil. This is vegetable cooking oil, and then all the liquid ingredients, the vanilla also goes in right here. Like, this is the simplest black forest cake recipe you're going to find on the internet. Yeah, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed meanwhile, and then go in with your whisk. Gently give these a mix, making sure to break the yolks even, and mix everything particularly well until you have a whole mixture of these ingredients, the black color coming out, the aromas also coming through. The vanilla usually is to nullify the smell of eggs, and then also the flavor, it elevates the flavor, but you can also add in some chocolate flavor in this, but it wasn't necessary really. The cocoa was enough, but yeah. So whisk while you also subscribe right now. You'll give this video a like, a comment, leave us a comment in the comment section, share with your friends, and yeah, look how gorgeous, how rich this is. So that coffee is not activated. We don't want to have something that is not so nice, so we're going to go in with boiling water, 2 cups, and again, the third time, please check the description box for measurements and ingredients. Put it in hot and make sure to keep on stirring gently so that you do not get lumps. And just like that, you're done. Grab your baking pans and start greasing them with some little bit of butter, and that is going to help the cake not to stick on the sides of the baking tins. Yeah, it's called lining. Line them, and then you're good to go. By now your oven should be preheated at 170, between 160 to 180 degrees Celsius, and it should be preheating by now. We do not bake cakes in cold, or like, you don't put it in and then set the oven on. We also went in with some parchment paper so that it's so easy for us to remove it. No one has time to be trimming cake. Yeah, I'm gonna be posting another video of me decorating this cake. I hope you catch it. And just like that, this is the butter divided into 2. It's going to go into the oven, bake for at least 1.5 hours because this is a big batch. And that is it. You have your black forest cake. You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching up until this time. See you soon. Bye.